Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna, reinvigorating text 49, text 50, text 51 of chapter 11, the universal form of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 49, Mate Vyatha, Matsa Vimura Bhavo, Drushtava Rupam, Ghorami, Drudanam, Medam, Vyapedbhiha, Pritamanaha, Punastvama, Tadeva me Rupamidam Prapashaya. You have been perturbed and bewildered by seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. My devotee, be free again from all disturbances with a peaceful mind. You can now see the form you desire. In the beginning of Bhagavad Gita, Arjun was worried about killing Bhishma and Drona, his worshipful grandfather and master. But Krishna said that he need not be afraid of killing his grandfather. When the sons of Dhritarashtra tried to disrobe Draupadi in the assembly of the Kurus, Bhishma and Drona were silent, and for such negligence of duty, they should be killed. Krishna showed his universal form to Arjun just to show him that these people were already killed for their unlawful action. That scene was shown to Arjun because devotees are always peaceful and they cannot perform such horrible actions. The purpose of the revelation of the universal form was shown. Now Arjun wanted to see the four-armed form and Krishna showed him. A devotee is not much interested in the universal form, for it does not enable one to reciprocate loving feelings. Either a devotee wants to offer his respectful, worshipful feelings, or he wants to see the 200 Krishna forms so that he can reciprocate in loving service with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Text 50. Sanjaya Uvaca Itayara Junam Vasudevasa Tatha Hoktava Swakam Rupam Darshaya Masa Bhuyaha Ashvasa Yamasa Ca Bhitamenam Bhutava Punaha Saumya Vapur Mahatma. Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjun, displayed his real four-armed form and at last showed his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. When Krishna appeared as the son of Vasudeva and Devaki, he first of all appeared as four-armed Narayan. But when he was requested by his parents, he transformed himself into an ordinary child in appearance. Similarly, Krishna knew that Arjun was not interested in seeing a 400 form. But since Arjun asked to see this 400 form, Krishna also showed him this form again and then showed himself in his 200 form. The word Saumya Vapur is very significant. Saumya Vapur is a very beautiful form. It is known as the most beautiful form. When he was present, everyone was attracted simply by Krishna's form, and because Krishna is the director of the universe, he just banished the fear of Arjun, his devotee, and showed him again his beautiful form of Krishna. In the Brahma Samhita 5.38, it is stated, Prema Jnana Churita Bhakti Vilochana. Only a person whose eyes are smeared with the ointment of love can see the beautiful form of Shri Krishna. Text 51. Arjuna Uvaca Drushta Vedam Manusham Rupam Tava Saumyam Janardana Idani Masmi Samavrittaha Sachetaha Prakritim Gataha. When Arjun thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, O Janardana, seeing this human-like form so very beautiful, I am now composed in mind and I am restored to my original nature. Here the words Manusham Rupam clearly indicate the Supreme Personality of Godhead to be originally two-handed. Those who deride Krishna as if he were an ordinary person are shown here to be ignorant of his divine nature. If Krishna is like an ordinary human being, then how is it possible for him to show the universal form and again to show the four-armed Narayana form? So it is very clearly stated in Bhagavad Gita that one who thinks that Krishna is an ordinary person and who misguides the reader by claiming that it is the impersonal Brahman within Krishna speaking is doing the greatest injustice. Krishna has actually shown the universal form and his four-handed Vishnu form. So how can he be an ordinary human being? A pure devotee is not confused by misguiding commentaries on Bhagavad Gita because he knows what is what. The original verses of Bhagavad Gita are as clear as the sun. They do not require lamplight from foolish commentators. Thank you.